Euro currency opens lower again to start the week. Today we got very close to parity with the US dollar, getting down just above at par, 0.004, just above parity. The last time we traded parity with the US dollar, you got to go all the way back to December 6th of 2002. The last time it traded below parity to the US dollar, you got to go back to December 5th of 2002. So we've been almost 20 years in the making here. Taking a step back, the euro traded around 113 at the end of 2021. At the middle part of 2021 was trading around 122. So it has just been a steady decline since the middle of 2021 to where we are today. A lot of that has to do with the economy. A lot of that has to do with inflation. A lot of that has to do with global growth. A lot of that has to do with the central banks. So a lot of that, mix that up all together, you've got a lot of uncertainty. But one thing is for sure, and that we're seeing the US dollar rocket to new highs as we see the euro continue to move lower to new lows. Now, what does this all mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You'll notice that volatility did end the week last week kind of nudging lower. Today we saw that move higher. Now, there is a reason for that. Not only are we moving into no man's land, but there's right now kind of a what's the next move going to be? Are we going to bounce off that parity level, or are we going to continue to push through it? Likewise, some key events in the U.S. help to always bid volatility, that event risk that we talk about, CPI, PPI, retail sales, as well as continued concern over global growth. Last, let's look at the positioning. What are speculators doing? I'll give you 3 guesses, but you're only going to need one. As the price continues to decline in the euro, speculators continue to add to their short positions. At this point, they've been adding pretty much for the majority of 2022 and will continue to do so. One of the reasons why we continue to see prices move lower is that speculators continue to pile on at that level. So the euro currency opens the week lower, doesn't quite get to parity today. There's always tomorrow and the rest of the week. But we haven't been at these levels in almost 20 years, and some key events this week in the U.S. ahead of CPI, PPI, and retail sales.